号才经历大地震的日本，在新一年的第2天，羽田机场又发生了飞机相撞，5人罹难的另一起悲剧。初步调查显示，意外肇因是2架飞机在同一时间分别接获着陆和准备起飞的指示，结果导致日本海岸警卫队专机的5个人当场罹难。不过，日本航空客机的379人全员安全撤离，创下90秒撤离训练的黄金法则。
因为允许降落和准备起飞的指示同时下达，导致日本羽田机场在当地时间星期2的下午大约5点45分发生这起骇人的飞机相撞事故，造成日本海岸警卫队专机上的5人罹难，1人受重伤。日本共同通信社释出的照片可见，日航客机的机身位置几乎全部烧毁，除了一部分的机尾和机翼位置，剩下都呈现焦黑一团，就连跑道旁的地面也有意外发生时的痕迹。不过，机上的367名乘客和12名机组人员却全员成功安全撤离。对于379人在客机起火燃烧，其中一侧深陷火魔的当儿，还能在短短的黄金90秒成功保命。飞行及航空顾问认为，这是机组人员固定的90秒撤离训练以及乘客的冷静配合所达到的奇迹成果。
In an evacuation, ideally you want all of the exits open, you want all of the slides to deploy normally, you want everyone to get down the slides rapidly. It appears to me that door was not used in the evacuation, so that's even more remarkable. It is something people train for, but you know it makes the probability of getting everyone out less likely. If reports are correct that everybody evacuated this aircraft successfully, then that is fabulous news. It'll be important for investigators to look into how and why that was achieved, especially in the challenging circumstances.
至于远赴日本援助地震而遇到这起惊魂记的澳洲当局，则通过总理阿尔巴尼斯报平安，并声称援助行动不受影响。
We will provide and have offered whatever support is requested by our friends in Japan. In addition to that, tragically, there was a plane crash at Haneda Airport in Tokyo soon after that earthquake that involved a plane that was providing support for the earthquake with a Japan Airlines flight. We understand that there were 12 Australians on board that Japan Airlines flight, but all of those people are safe and accounted for.
面对这起意外，日本首相岸田文雄在记者会上表示，相关单位正确保交通线路的安全和善后工作不受影响，并保证各类物资的运输工作顺利进行。目前，日本运输安全委员会已经调查肇因，飞机制造商空中巴士公司和法国民事事故调查分析局也会组成一个法政专家小组，星期3飞抵日本协助调查。这也是2015年投入商业服务的空中巴士 A350 型号客机第一次遭受严重损坏。当时，这架客机是从北海道千岁机场起飞，结果在羽田机场着陆时，和准备飞往新泻赈灾的日本海岸警卫队专机相撞。马新社电视综合报道。